Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Madhulika, for joining in after a long weekend. Thank you for being here. In today's session, we are going to dive into the key of achieving goals. And what we are, it is about, this part of the book that we are going to read is revealing why some people succeed while others give up. ठीक है, और ये बहुत जरूरी है, और इसकी की टू अनलॉक क्या है वो भी समझना बहुत जरूरी है. You're playing around with the tones.
Just
Let me
I'm
let
just
me
figuring out which is looking good.
चलो, let me start sharing the
Right.
screen and
Yes.
we shall start reading. आप अपना सेटिंग करते रहो
हाँ, ये
साथ
इसके
साथ.
बाद में इमीडिएट बाद इंटरव्यू है ना, तो
आई नो,
मैं सोच रही हूँ कि पहले
आई नो.
सेटिंग कर लूँ.
हाँ नहीं, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट एंड इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन.
So we are on the key to achieving goals. नहीं, the big goal.
यस यस. नहीं, द की टू
Live the
अचीविंग
dream.
गोल्स. लिव द ड्रीम हमने लास्ट सेशन में पढ़ लिया था. टुडे वी आर ऑन द की टू अचीविंग गोल्स.
The key to achieving goals.
Does this mean that if you pursue your goals and meet with initial failure and frustration, you should move on and do something else? Of course not. No one ever achieved a goal by being interested in its achievement. One must be committed. In fact, in studying the source of people's success, I have found that the persistence overshadows even talent as the most valued and effective resource in creating and shaping the quality of life. Most people give up a maddening 5 feet from their goal. है ना, देर कितनी बार बोला भी जाता है ना, लगे रहो, persistently लगे रहो. You never know the next action step that you take brings the success that you were seeking. I believe that life is constantly testing us for our level of commitment, and life's greatest rewards are reserved for those who demonstrate a never ending commitment to act until they achieve. This level of resolve can move mountains, but it must be constant and consistent. As simplistic as this may sound, it is still common denominator separating those who live their dream from those who live in regret. This is so important, so important. The day before yesterday, my daughter was telling me कि मेरी फ्रेंड की फीड पे आपका वो आया हुआ था इंस्टाग्राम पे कोई रील. तो and she has sent a screenshot of that as well. And I was telling her, यार अब तो मैं इतनी कंसिस्टेंटली पोस्ट भी नहीं करती हूँ, फिर कैसे? क्योंकि आई डोंट नो, शी वाज सो हैप्पी एंड शी शेयर्ड द स्क्रीनशॉट विद मी एंड आई एम शेयरिंग इट विद यू. Consistency rewards. Consistency makes you more confident. And the more you stay, and consistency, yes, what commitment plus consistency is equal to, I would say, tons of confidence. And that itself is going to bring a lot of recognition as well. People are going to know you because of that only. And सेम विद द यूट्यूब. मेरे मम्मी पापा को पता ही नहीं था कि मैं यूट्यूब पे हूं भी. एंड वन डे दे सॉ सम वीडियो ऑफ माइन एंड दे वर लाइक, ओ तू पता है, तुझको पता है, तू ना यूट्यूब पे भी दिख रही थी. आप म्यूट पे बोल रहे हो वैसे? अच्छा. तो एंड आई वाज लाइक, अच्छा. हाँ, वो आई कीप ऑन पोस्टिंग माय बुक रीडिंग क्लब के सेशंस ओवर देयर. एंड दे वर लाइक, हाँ तुम, एंड देन दे गॉट टू नो कि अच्छा, शेयर योर लिंक विद अस, वी विल फॉलो यू दिस एंड दैट. तो कहाँ कहीं पे भी आप कमिटमेंट और कंसिस्टेंसी से वर्क करोगे, उस पे काम होगा ही होगा. बी इट रिलेशनशिप्स, बी इट योर वर्क, बी इट एनीवेयर इन योर लाइफ. मेरे लिए top priority things are my work and my relationships. And if I know कि वहां पे मैं consistent efforts and love and everything pour करती रहती हूँ, तो of course प्लांट में भी पानी डालोगे तो वो ग्रो करेगा ना. Likewise, I'm a student of those who have learned to take the invisible and make it visible. That's why I respect poets, writers, actors, and entrepreneurs. People who take an idea and bring it to life. One of the people I believe is an outstanding role model of creativity and ever expanding personal growth and success in Peter Gubber, the chairman of the board and the CEO of Sony Pictures Entertainment INC, formerly known as Columbia Pictures. At the age of 48, Peter has become one of the most powerful and respected men in the motion picture industry. He and his partner, John Peter, have racked up combined to total of over 52 Academy Awards nominations. His work includes film from Midnight Express to Missing rather than Rain Man to Batman. In 1989, their joint company, Gubber Peter Entertainment Company, was purchased by Sony for over $200 million in order to get the dude to take charge of the Columbia Picture Empire. How does someone at such a young age achieve such impact in an incredibly competitive industry? The answer is through vision and absolute, never ending persistence. One day, I had the privilege of receiving a phone call from him and finding out that he was a great fan of my personal power audio tape program. Each morning, as he worked out, he listened to my tapes so that as he got his body in shape, he could simultaneously get his mind in shape. He wanted to thank me because he had never made a purchase like this before from television and certainly never listened to tapes such as these. As a result of this conversation, I got a chance to meet Peter and develop a friendship with him. I have found that one key ingredient of his incredible success is his ability never to let go once he locked on to a goal. But in 1979, he and Ian Peter had bought the rights to produce Batman. But it was not until 1988 that they could begin production. Along the way, virtually everybody tried to kill the film. Studio executives said there was no market for it, and that the only person who would see it were kids and the comic book nuts, who became inflamed when Michael Keaton was selected to play the powerhouse role of Batman. In spite of continuous disappointments, frustration, and considerable risk, the team of Gubber and Peter made Batman one of the biggest blockbusters of all times, netting the highest opening weekend revenues of any film ever released. Proceeds from the film and ancillary products are estimated to have produced over $1 billion. Wow. Another example of Gubber's persistence was making the film Rain Man. The film should never even have survived. At various stages of its completion, the script was handled by 5 writers and 3 directors walked off the project, including the Steven Spielberg.
Spielberg.
Yeah, Spielberg.
Steven
Some
Spielberg.
of them, Steven Spielberg. Some of them wanted Peter Gubber to change the script by adding some action, some murders, and at least some sex. They argued that no one would ever watch a film that featured nothing but 2 guys sitting in a car and traveling across the country, especially when one was retarded. But Peter understands the power of emotions. He consistently chooses to produce movies that move the human spirit. He knows what touches people's souls, and he refuses to budge, telling everyone that this was a film about relationship. That this story of two brothers getting to know each other was all the action the film needed, and that Rain Man would, in fact, win an Oscar. The best minds tried to convince him otherwise, including Spielberg, but he was not really. क्या है? He was not relent. Sure enough, in 1988, film went on the Gamer 4 Academy Awards, including Best Picture, Best Actor, Best Director, and the Best Screenplay. Persistence pays. Gubber believed that with every new film, you are starting over. That in Hollywood, you are only as good as your last film. Doesn't this create a lot of fear? You bet. But he says he uses his fear and the stress of the environment not to paralyze, but rather to propel himself forward. Too often, people never even begin to pursue a goal out of their fear that they will fail. Or worse, they start pursuing a goal, then they give up too soon. They may have been on track to achieve what they want, but they fail to maintain the patience of stonecutters. Because they are not getting immediate feedback, they give up far too soon. If there is any one skill that I have seen in champions, people who have really achieved their highest desires, it is an unbelievable, believable level of persistence. They will change their approach as necessary, but they won't abandon their ultimate vision. Wow. A lot to learn from here, right?
I think with persistence, self-belief should be there. I mean, if Steve, if a director like Steven Spielberg is saying something, and it's just like I'm telling my son that look into this. I don't think so. It is good. It is good. It is good. Did I share that incident with you, Karishma, that um, my son was not chosen as a sports captain or sports something in school, and then he was given the privilege to hold the position of discipline council, and he refused to take that.
No, you did not tell me.
Yeah, he refused to take that because he believed that no, I have done so much for my school club. I'm supposed to be there. I deserve that position, but it wasn't given to him, and uh, he was otherwise asked because last year also he was in a sports captain. So he was asked to be disciplined in discipline council, but he refused. He had a word with the rep, with the vice principal, and he did everything. He said, "I resign this position." They said, "No, there is no resignation accepted." But but so I tried to explain him things that Vishwesh, it's okay. I understand you don't wanted this position, but you are privileged to be on this position also. You should take it as a privilege. And you are getting this position because you are a part of an organization. But he refused. He said no, and he didn't went the day when ceremony was held. I
Oh.
don't know. So I cannot relate with this.
Hmm.
Maybe this is good also because you should have self belief. Because my daughter's a friend, she also came over here, and I discussed with him. She said, "Yeah, विश्वेश मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं बनी थी, जो तुझे मिल रहा था वो ले लेता." I said, "No, I don't want this." And my daughter, she also came like this weekend. She said, "अरे तूने लिया नहीं? अरे ले तो लेता, मेरे को तो उन्होंने क्या कमर्शियल आर्ट्स कुछ ऐसे बनाया था, मैं तो बड़ी खुश हुई थी, बहुत फोटो वोटो खिंचवाई थी." He said, "No, I will not accept anything beyond that." और मुझे नहीं पता करिश्मा, it is good. I mean, with what view I should take it. At times I think it's okay. It's okay if he thinks that way. So let's see how far it will work for him. You know?
कि कोई बात
Hmm.
नहीं, अगर एक आधा झटका लगना होगा, एक आधा लेसन मिलना होगा लाइफ में, तो दिस इज द बेस्ट एज टू टू लर्न द लेसन।
Yes.
राइट, दैट इज व्हाट आई थॉट। बट अभी
Hmm.
इसको देख के, इसकी बात सुन के, मेरे को प्रोड्यूसर की बात सुन के मेरे को लग रहा है कि जिनको समझ में नहीं आता उनको कभी समझ में नहीं आता, वो अपने मन की ही करते हैं। वो
Hmm.
वो बोलते हैं ना, बच्चा बड़ा होके समझदार हो जाएगा, जिद्दी नहीं रहेगा। इट इज ऑलवेज द अदर वे राउंड, बड़ा होके बड़ा जिद्दी बनेगा, अभी छोटा जिद्दी है।
Hmm.
तो आई डोंट नो, बट ये सेल्फ बिलीव नाम की भी कोई चीज होती है। ही बिलीव दैट यस, a movie that is full of emotions, you don't need a item number or a sex sequence in this, otherwise तो आप कुछ different बनाओगे ही नहीं ना।
Hmm.
आपको कुछ अच्छा कंटेंट देखने ही नहीं मिलेगा। हर कोई फाइट सीन्स और मतलब जो ही ये कन्वेंशनल चीजें हैं, और कई बार लगता है कि बेकार में ही डाली हैं।
True.
मुझे अब इसकी बात सुन के मेरे को अभी बार बार ना, जब हमने भाग मिल्खा भाग मूवी देखी थी, इफ यू हैव वॉच्ड दैट मूवी, आई डेंट फाइंड एनी
Hmm.
सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ रोल ऑफ सोनम कपूर इन दैट मूवी। इट वॉजंट नीडेड।
हाँ
इट
हाँ
वॉजंट नीडेड बिकॉज उससे मिलके उसमें कोई ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन नहीं आया था। या तो उससे
एग्जैक्टली
मिलके उसको कोई स्ट्रॉन्ग थॉट आया होता, या कोई ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आया होता, या उसको कुछ
हाँ
लगा होता। ऐसा कुछ था ही नहीं मिल्खा जी की लाइफ में,
हाँ
है ना। तो इट वॉजंट नीडेड मच, बट मुझे लगता है कि डायरेक्टर ने यही सोच के, नहीं यार थोड़ा रोमांस तो डाल दे, कौन देखेगा ऐसी पिक्चर, वो सोच के डाल दिया। अभी मेरे को
हम्म
मतलब वो दिमाग में मेरे हमेशा से थी कि सोनम कपूर वॉज नॉट नीडेड इन दिस। टाइम वेस्ट कर दिया, क्योंकि मुझे मूवी देखना हमेशा टाइम वेस्ट लगता है, और मैं देखती हूँ ये बिल्कुल अननेसेसरी था, ये नहीं होता तो मेरे और 20 मिनट बच जाते।
हम्म ट्रू
या बट हाँ,
वेरी
सेल्फ
ट्रू
बिलीव भी होना चाहिए, जैसे द वे ही हैज सेड दैट नो, ही रियली बिलीव्ड इन दैट इमोशन, दैट यस पीपल कैन बी मूव्ड बाय इमोशन, एंड यस पीपल आर ऑलवेज मूव्ड बाय इमोशंस। इवन
you tap
यस्टरडे,
into the emotion of people and they will be yours forever.
yes, Karishma, yesterday also I went to my Toastmasters this thing. So I had a session. So there were three speakers. I was the Toastmasters of the day for yesterday's this thing. So
हम्म
I was conducting everything like emceeing, and
हाँ हाँ
a small theme based एक मेरा भी चल रहा था side by side ना,
हम्म
parts में. तो there were three speakers. One
हम्म
speaker was an excellent speaker. Other wasn't an excellent speaker, but his content was so emotional, so nice कि उसकी डिलीवरी कैसी भी हो, he got the first prize.
wow
और दूसरे वाला जो था, वो स्पीकर इतना अच्छा है, उसकी वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन, उसका प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्टेज एंड बॉडी लैंग्वेज, बॉडी पॉस्चर्स, एवरीथिंग इज सो गुड, जिनको हम ज्यादा
हम्म
इंपॉर्टेंस देते हैं जनरली। बट
हम्म
दूसरे स्पीकर का कंटेंट वाज सो नाइस, सो इमोशनल, द वे उसने जैसे बताया कि एक रिक्शा वाला था, मैं चीख रहा था कि कोई उठा लो, कोई बचा लो इसको, टाइप्स ना। आई वॉज लुकिंग
हम्म
फॉर हेल्प, सो समवन केम एंड सेड व्हाई डोंट यू हेल्प हिम।
हम्म
So he said, fine, okay. Then he took a rickshaw. He called another rickshaw, and he was holding his head. His head was bleeding, and he could take the. But वो इतना emotional था that that incident changed me as a person, as a human being. He said. So he could, because of his content, because of his thought, he could get that prize. So yeah, ये भी है, self belief नाम की भी चीज है, इनको देखो तो emotions can really, emotions are the only thing that you can make people yours, no doubt. सो मुझे लगा इसमें
even
परसिस्टेंस से ज्यादा शायद सेल्फ बिलीव वाला वो ज्यादा था।
either ways I mean self belief होगा तभी so it is like अगर आपको पता है आपका विजन ये आपका विजन है this is how you're moving ahead and you know that this should work there is a market for XYZ thing right then persistence के बिना तो नहीं कर सकते हो ना बिलीफ होता है तो आप किसी चीज को स्टार्ट करते हो वो आइडिया जनरेट होता है आप उसके ऊपर कुछ एक्ट करना शुरू करते हो बट इफ यू लीव इट टू सून then too it's not going to happen right अगर अपने ऊपर बिलीफ होगा अपने आइडिया के ऊपर वो होगा कि क्या कहते हैं कन्विक्शन होगी कि हाँ ये वर्क करना चाहिए बिकॉज इट इज नीडेड इट इज रिक्वायर्ड why am I not closing the book reading club because मेरे को है पता है people need this someday somebody will discover it and they will get attached to it I know it is going to work. And that is the conviction. That is the trust in the vision. But then ट्रस्ट अकेला क्या करेगा जब तक कन्विक्शन नहीं होगी कि मेरे को हर रोज करना है. आई हैव टू स्टे कमिटेड एंड persistently doing these sessions. It's not going to.
Yeah, even the last line over here is very impressive that they'll change their approach as necessary, but
Ah,
they won't
they won't
abandon
abandon.
their ultimate vision.
Yes. ये हो सकता है ना कुछ टेक्निक गलत यूज हो रही है जिसकी वजह से रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा. कोई ऐसा एक एक कोई लूप होल छूट रहा है बार बार जिसकी वजह से कुछ नहीं हो पा रहा है सक्सेस. But vision as such is not wrong. It's the goal is beautiful in itself, and people need it. It's just कि वो कनेक्शन नहीं हो पा रहा. वो एक कड़ी मिस आउट हो रही है. उसके लिए I might have to change approach of doing it. I might have to change the timings. I might have to change something for it to start working. Right? आगे बढ़े.
Karishma, would you? Yeah, Karishma. Okay, we are on recording. Okay.
और राइट दैट मेक सेंस कि हाँ कभी परसिस्टेंस काम करती है. परसिस्टेंस के साथ साथ हमारे को सेल्फ बिलीव भी होना चाहिए अपने आइडिया में. अदरवाइज तो फिर कहाँ ही ये चीज होगी. राइट. एंड परसिस्टेंस आप रखिए उस चीज के लिए सकते हो जिसके अंदर आपको फेथ होगा. अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू कीप परसिस्टेंट विद थिंग. ठीक है. एंड वी आर एट एंड ऑफ दिस टॉपिक. Let's start the new topic. Unleash the power of the reticular activation system. This is RAS to achieve your goals. ये बहुत ज्यादा important होते हैं because it sets आपके दिमाग में एक tonality को रखने के लिए it is very important that you work on your RAS, and which we will cover this topic tomorrow. Till then, I would love for you to take care of yourself. Have a wonderful day. God bless you. Mwah. Bye.